Okay, just wanted to make a quick one because my attention has been drawn to a very interesting document. I think we're all sort of familiar with the COVID-19 timeline, and that it supposedly was discovered or appeared at the end of 2019. If we go to the WHO's COVID-19 response timeline itself, the earliest date we can find is the 31st of December, in which WHO's country office in the People's Republic of China picked up a media statement by the Wuhan Municipal Health Commission from their website on cases of viral pneumonia in Wuhan, People's Republic of China. So their earliest date here is the 31st of December 2019. Okay, so if we come here to wits.worldbank.org, we're told the World Integrated Trade Solution, or WITS, software provides access to international merchandise, trade, tariff, and non-tariff measures data. Browse the country profile section to obtain countries' exports, imports, and tariff statistics along with relevant development data. Okay. If we come to About WITS, we can see that the World Bank, in collaboration with the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, and in consultation with organizations such as International Trade Center, United Nations Statistical Division, and the World Trade Organization, developed the World Integrated Trade Solution, WITS. This software allows users to access and retrieve information on trade and tariffs. Okay, now, very interesting page here. I'll include the link so you can all check it out for yourselves below. Here we have a page that talks about COVID-19 test kits, exports by country, 2017. So what's going on here? And we can clearly see from Switzerland, Germany, European Union, United States, year 2017 for every single one of these. We've got the trade value, the quantities in kilos, HS nomenclature used, HS 2017. So it's not just a single mistake or anything like that. It's mentioned several times. Exports by country 2017 COVID-19 test kits. Makes no sense to me whatsoever. It appears to be going against everything we know regarding the COVID-19 outbreak, at least everything we've been told. So if any of you guys can make any sense of this and give it some reasonable explanation as to why we're seeing here a whole load of test kits in 2017 going out all around the world, then I'd appreciate it if you could let us know in the comments below. But a very strange page. COVID-19 test kits, exports by country, 2017.